Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to another province house rebuild update. It is a beautiful sunny day here in the countryside, and today we are definitely securing the house. I know a lot of you have suggested this from the very start, and even from the previous province house that we had, to really secure the house, like the window area. So right now, as you guys can see, we do have the sliding window, and can I just say that the sliding window is not really secure if I compare it to the jalousie window that I had before. So yeah, I think it can be easily opened. So today I decided to put the grills that I had from before, and it actually fits to the window that I have right now as well. It's just that we need to do a few adjustments. So today I rented a welding machine so that we are going to weld the previous grills that I have. So come on, I'll take you guys there and see what is going on. By the way, aside from the securing of the window here in the province house, as you guys can see, they've already started doing the skim coating here on the outside of the house as well. So it's all white now. It actually looks like it's been painted already, but it's not paint yet. It's just the skim coating. And then yeah, after this one, they're gonna do the primer and we proceed with the painting, of course. So if we look down over here, guys, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do have 5 grills from the previous window on the previous house. We actually currently have 6 windows in total in the house. Actually 8, since we do have 2 small windows in the bathroom area. But we are going to prioritize the bigger windows. So since I do have 5 for now, we are going to make sure that we are gonna put them here in these 2 windows that you guys can see right now, in the front of the house where the second bedroom is, and the extension of the living area, and of course my bedroom, which is at the back. That's the main window that we have to really secure, you know, because that's where we sleep. See, my brother-in-law is adjusting the lock for the grills because we have to make sure that it's securely welded into the iron. This is actually pretty heavy. I rented this mini welding machine for 300 pesos for the entire day, so that's $6 US. There you go. So he's just adjusting the this one. So you guys can see this one is on this side. He has to flip it on the other side so that it will fit into the current window that I have. So he's gonna flip it on the other side. Yeah. So he's just gonna flip it.
It breaks, but then you weld it back together.
Yeah, that's right. So it's a bit hard, quite heavy to actually do this one. Yeah, just like that, and weld it again so that it will be it will fit. Because I think the current window that I have is a bit bigger, just a little bit bigger than the window that I had before in the previous house. So we're just doing that in all 5 of them. And yeah, I'm gonna paint this with red lid and paint it black again. Yeah, so that's how it is. It's not working anymore. Yeah, but I think you have to, your eyes, huh? Just cover your eyes. So yeah, that's how we do it. Ugh, it's actually not very good with your eyes. That's why he's obviously wearing glasses, because it hurts your eyes. But yeah, I think it's very fast. It doesn't take the whole day to actually do it. You know, he's just gonna flip those up. Okay, so right now they are trying to fit it. All right, I think it fits good now. Just like that. Yeah, it's good. Because last time it doesn't really fit. Yeah, the lock above is not reaching the cement or the wall. Yeah, it's big enough. It's good. Perfect. I don't need to get another set of these, because this cost a lot for me, you know, because that one cost me 50 US. So yeah, I think it cost me 12,500 for the
we only have
5
to flip one.
grills.
We only have to flip this one. Yeah?
No, on the other side as well. 4.
Oh, 4.
There's 4 of them, yeah, and the bottom too. So yeah, he's just doing that, and this one is done. So we're gonna paint it black. I have been painting here for, I don't know, like 20 minutes already, and I'm almost done with this one. It's actually quite hard and tedious to paint this grills because they are very small. So even if I'm using a small brush, you still have like to go through each of the section, each of the metal, and that. It's crazy. I'm just gonna do this one and finish this one at least. Actually, I'll put this in my bedroom. And then I will have Papa to do everything. It hurts my knees because I'm like squatting, you know. I think it's better. Yeah, I think it's better if you're like sitting down and doing the painting. Otherwise, it hurts so much. So yeah, at least, you know, if you look at it. Thank you, Scarlett. Alright, at least if you look at it, it looks brand new now after you painted it. So all of those over there, he's still working on some here. Once they will be all painted, it will look like this. And then actually it's very hot right now, so we're gonna have to put them out there so that it will be dry. Then that's the time we're gonna install them on the windows. We cannot like put it directly because the paint is just gonna go everywhere, especially we have a white wall. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later once we've finished painting everything. So time check right now, it is 3 p.m. It's actually super hot right now, and as you guys can see, one of the grills have actually dried already, so that's really good. Right now, we are trying to prioritize my bedroom because obviously this area right here is a bit back in the house and no one's really living on those like part of the lot. So we have here the grill and we colored it black again, so that's how it's looking. And yeah, I think we are now gonna install it. So we have here Papa, my brother-in-law, and we are using a drill to actually drill a hole. And I think we're gonna use a different kind of, it's not just a nail, it's like a screw. Actually, we're gonna screw it, and there's like locks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There's 8 locks all around it, so it should be very secure. I know a lot of you guys have actually said that, I know some of you guys have said that this is really not a very good idea in case there's fire inside a house because you cannot really escape through the window. But I figured my house is actually not that big, and we have the exit door and we also have the front door anyway, so you can just basically run. But knock on wood, hopefully it's not gonna happen, you know. It's actually nice because, you know, the color of the grill is black and we have the black window as well. That's why I chose the black window, not blue, not brown, not white as well, because it's just gonna be too white. The house is gonna be too white. So yeah, this is how it looks. They're now gonna attach it, and I'd feel more secure now here sleeping at night. So the next thing that I'm going to do here in this window is basically put the blinds as well, because yeah, at night if you put the lights on, if you're here, then you can actually see through the inside. I think they just marked it up, and then he's gonna drill a hole, and that's when we put the screw. Alright guys, so finally after a few minutes, we managed to install the grill, the old grill that I had before. So this is how it looks right now. So I know it's not perfect, okay? It's like bent in the side. It's not like straight with the overall window that I have, like especially here on this side, but that's okay. I know a lot of you guys will notice that. I will just share that to you guys already. You guys are very observant, but this is just temporary, okay? The most important thing is finally the bedroom is secured. So yeah, if I'm gonna like try to
I would love to come back on top of you now. If I
really
tried to pull
like
it, woof.
see, like you cannot even, you know, remove it. So that's good. I'm quite happy with it. Finally, this grill before was not put into waste. We still managed to use it temporarily for the window. So the rest of the windows, of course, we're gonna put like these ones as well on the window there in the front, here in the second bedroom, and then we're gonna have to make a new one for the kitchen area because I only have 5 of these. And also if we go look over there, I also have 2 small windows in the bathroom. So of course we also have to make sure that we put grills there. You can see that there's actually air condition, right? And yes, we are gonna have to put a grill there as well. So my uncle from Cagayan, he's actually gonna be going here pretty soon, I think in the next few days. So yeah, he is the one that will make grills for those that we need to put grills into. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Quite happy with these so far. This is what they finished here in my bedroom, so that's good. Tonight we will have a good and secure. Alright guys, so finally this area over here, we have the 2 windows as you guys can see, and right now they have already installed the 2 grills that I had from before, so that's good. These windows here are now secured. Now we're gonna be working on that windows where it's in front of the house. By the way, just a quick update here around the house as well. If you guys can take a look over that side of area, over that side, there was actually a barrel of water there. There's buckets of water, and that's where we shower, that's where we wash clothes. I had to ask Papa to remove it and transfer it at the back of the house because it looks really messy for me, and it's very muddy because there's like water everywhere. So as you guys can see, he actually put some gravel, so that looks dry now, and yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Also in the carport area as well, I had to spend 1 whole day to actually remove everything from there. Well, I was not able to remove everything, to be honest, because there's just so much stuff from the previous house that I actually had to let go. I had to let go of a lot of furniture, a lot of stuff as well, like for example clothes, some bags, some shoes, and a lot more. I have like 3 suitcases that I had to let go as well because it got molds everywhere. And yeah, I think my bed frame, I had to let go of that, and a lot of stuff. Papa was actually telling me to not really, you know, let go of them and just give them to the neighbors, or you know, some people here, they might want to use it, so maybe we're gonna share it to them. So far everything's looking good here in the house. If you guys can see, the entire house here on the outside has been skim coated. So this is, I think, first or second skim coat, and then they're almost finished with the skim coating here in the outside, and now they're gonna work on the painting, first coating, maybe by tomorrow. So yeah, we're almost done. I'm quite happy. By the way, I just want to give a shout out to everyone who actually sent in their recommendations and their creative ideas when it comes to furnishing the living area and how should we decorate it. I honestly was blown away with you guys' ideas. I didn't know how creative you guys are. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. There's a lot of people that actually sent me some email in my Facebook page and my Instagram as well. You guys are so good. Oh my gosh, especially the drawings. Wow, the sketch. I didn't know that you guys will take that to that level. Thank you so much. I deeply appreciate it. I have been very open-minded to all of you guys, and I'm so happy that you're accepting my favor to ask for you guys' suggestions and recommendations. So thank you so much. Right now I am brainstorming as to how should I really decorate the house. I want it to be minimalist as what Tom said, and just not have a lot of stuff inside because I want it to be very airy and flowy. So yeah, I'm quite happy. Thank you guys so much. I will go through all of you guys' recommendations and suggestions, and then I will figure out what's going to be my final decision, and of course I'm going to be sharing that to all of you. Anyway, that is pretty much it for today's update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you guys have any other suggestions, and follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook. Everything is at meljeansolon. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.